Okay, hi guys, it's fully upgraded, but I'm actually making this a new robot because the other one got destroyed. I don't know why it got destroyed. Because someone, I think like one of the pieces was missing. So now I'm making a new one, that's why. And it's almost fully upgraded. But everything's taking off. But that's okay. It can be in my vlog. So now, I'm always doing this. I'm like, what is it again? I'm like always, I want always all the Legos because I always like Legos. I have a full of box of Legos. And now I'm putting the hands actually on. And the legs are now brand new. Now you have to put the head, this piece for the protection, and this piece again. So that's how I build it. Look, this is now it can fit this guy because he has like legs. Okay, now let's put him on. Okay, it's almost adding. Now it's been added, and close it. Now it's like a robot. So this is so cool. See, it open on the front, the head, to release like a head, to think like it's a robot, and the front also opens. See, so that's why I liked this. See, it's so cool. Yay! And I use always Legos, a bunch of Legos to build like mechs, robots, and for like other things. Even I have like some Titans, and this one's way bigger than them. That's why this is how I just build it. It's way bigger, and I made this like 3 days ago. I made 2 days ago. So we're gonna be like done later because now it's good, but you hear that scream, it's just